In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop getting someone else's iMessages and calls, particularly if you're sharing the same Apple ID. This is a common situation that can create a lot of confusion and privacy concerns, but I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it. First, let's dive into your settings. You're going to want to navigate over to your Messages settings. On your device, that means heading to the Settings app, then scrolling down to find Messages. Tap on Messages to get to the next part of the configuration. Once you are in the Messages section, look for an option that says you can be reached by iMessage at. This is where you'll see all the phone numbers and emails associated with your iMessage account. Make sure that only your personal phone number and email address are selected here. If you see any numbers or emails that don't belong to you, that's a red flag. Next, you're going to want to uncheck any shared phone numbers or email addresses that belong to the other person. By doing this, you ensure that messages intended for you are only coming to you. It's a quick and simple step, but critically important for maintaining your privacy. If you're still encountering issues after adjusting these settings, it might be necessary to log out of iCloud on any other devices that are linked with your Apple ID. This can help prevent cross-device confusion and ensure that communications are channeled only to the right device. Go through your devices and, if needed, sign out of iCloud settings to see if this clears things up. Now, while sharing an Apple ID might seem convenient, I highly recommend using separate Apple IDs for iMessages. This is the best way to ensure that each person's communications remain private and secure. It's a bit of extra setup, but it's worth it for peace of mind. If you don't yet have separate Apple IDs, consider creating a new one for each individual. This helps prevent these issues from coming up again in the future. Creating a new Apple ID is straightforward. Here's how you do it. Go to your settings, tap on your name at the top, and scroll to the bottom to select Sign Out. Follow the prompts to complete the process. After signing out, you can then create a new Apple ID by following the on-screen instructions. By following these steps, you can avoid the hassle and invade privacy that comes with shared Apple ID, iMessages, and calls. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain better control over your communications. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.